Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer data from your iPhone to an Android phone. Alright, let's begin. Before starting, make sure both phones have at least 50% battery, are connected to the same stable Wi-Fi network, and that your Android phone has enough available storage to hold all the data from your iPhone. On your iPhone, open Settings and make sure you're signed into your Apple ID. Next, go back to Settings, select your Apple account, open Find My, and temporarily turn off Find My iPhone. Then, switch to your Android phone and open Settings. Go to Accounts and Backup, tap Transfer Data for device setup, and Smart Switch will open up. Next, select Receive Data, choose iPhone, iPad, and then select Transfer from iCloud. Sign in with your Apple ID and complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. Once Smart Switch scans your iCloud account, choose the data you want to transfer, such as contacts, photos, and supported app data. Then start the transfer. Keep both devices connected until the process is complete. So that's basically how you can transfer data from your iPhone to an Android phone. That's it for this video. Thanks.